How's it going, guys? It's Jade, that drain guy. We got a toilet here in an apartment building. Basically, flush toilet. This is one of those Hennessy Hinchcliffes. Very, very garbage toilet. But I think the issue we're gonna have is, you see how it's got this white insert? That means it's the older model. This little round tube there, that this can't be taken out, there's actually a toilet vent in there. Toilet plugs up, they plunge it, paper goes up that vent, toilet becomes useless. So the way you know that that's the issue, you're gonna grab a bucket of water and you're gonna pour it down. If the water goes down through the toilet perfect, like how a toilet should flush, then you know that's the issue. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna grab this little pail here. Fill it up with water. That's actually kind of surprising. I thought that would have went. So what we're going to do now, we're actually going to auger the toilet out and see if that works. The auger came back clean. This might be one of those situations we gotta pull the toilet. Maybe there's something stuck at the bottom. Yeah, definitely not getting a good flush on it. bolts. This is a 1/2-inch nut. Undo this one here. See, drain's clear. We're going to put the toilet in the bathtub, flip it upside down and see what it looks like. Alright, well, we got something. That looks like either a lollipop or a sucker stick. Yeah, that's what I would say. And just some paper. And see, that's as easy as it is. Like inside here, the hole is very small and stuff, anything that floats, that like a Q-tip or a popsicle stick or a flossing pick, anything small that people will flush down the toilet will float and get stuck right across like that. And when you snake it, the snake goes through and everything looks good until you flush more paper down and then it plugs up again. Doing the water supply back up. solid. Alright. Now we wait, let it fill up, and then test it. If everything works good, we're good to go. Usually these toilets, after you clear them out, it usually takes 2 flushes, but because I had the water running before I put the flush valve back in, it may be okay. Alright. Like a glove. This is Jay, that drain guy. Check it out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Ta-ra now.